everyone. These are my daughter Robin's books. These two are a duo, a story like ours. It starts out with a love like yours, so it's a love like yours, a story like ours. And she recently wrote True North, and coming out soon as Into the Blue. So really exciting. My daughter Robin is the author. My daughter Karen is her assistant. So let me read you this note that Karen sent for me to read to you so you can see what's going on, because we have a giveaway for you. Hey Mom, here's the information. Feel free to edit. I'm not going to edit. Hi all, this is Karen, Kat's daughter. I've recently taken on the role of assistant for my sister, Kat's other daughter, Robin Huber. I know my mom has told you about her super talented daughter, the author, and she probably told you about her somewhat perfectionistic and often sidetracked daughter too, and that's me. I'm so excited to be helping Robin out so that she has more time to write because her books are amazing. She released her third book, True North. Let me give you a picture of it again. That's True North. She released that book, True North, this summer. It's an emotional second chance romance set on Georgia's St. Simon's Island. Even if Robin wasn't my sister, this is one of my favorite books. It's make into a movie good, and you won't be able to put it down until you finish it. Links below. Robin's newest book is called Into the Blue, and we don't have a physical book yet, but pull down there. That's what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so it releases in 2 weeks on August 18th. It's available for pre-order now, links below. How lucky am I to have a sister who writes books I love to read. This is another page turner with Costa Rican islands, crystal blue water, dangerous situations, a handsome rescuer, a savage drug cartel, and an epic love story that surpasses it all. So if you love heartfelt love stories, check out Robin's books. You don't have time to read, you say? I hear ya. I have really had to make it a priority, or it won't happen for me either. Sometimes I read for 15 minutes and then get up and do something in my zone or my routine cleaning for 15 minutes. I've actually found that it motivates me to get even more done than I normally would. Besides, reading is really important for our cognitive and emotional well-being. It makes you more empathetic, reduces stress, keeps your brain healthy, helps you your sleep quality, and sets a good example for your kids. As a special treat, Robin has 3 advanced reader copies of Into the Blue to give away to you. And if you will, I'll send you the link. No, I won't send you the link. Karen will send you the link. Robin's assistant, my daughter Karen, will send you the link so you can read it online, okay? If and when you win. And 3 paperbacks of True North to give away. You know, I already had a giveaway once, but she's going to give 3 more away. So happy reading. And she said to tell me at the bottom, she said, Mom, make sure you tell them that the reviews are so important, especially in exchange for an advanced reader copy. They can do them wherever they order the book too. Goodreads is great if they use that tool, too. Reviews and pre-orders get the ball rolling and get the book visibility so more people can see it. Thanks. So just to reiterate, we're doing a giveaway. There's going to be 3 advanced reader copies of Into the Blue. See if I can make it bigger. So pretty. Into the Blue, Robin Huber. And there's going to be, so the advanced reader copies, you want to make sure if you read that in advance that you go right on Goodreads when you're done, or Amazon or wherever else. So if you're reading it, however you're reading it, you should be able to give it a review. Doesn't have to be big and fancy. I know how it feels to have to sit down and think something up. Just say that if you liked it, what you liked about it, and give it some stars. That's what you have to do. So it's really, really important. The same with the True North. You know, even after they've been released, it's so helpful to give a review. That's how people say, oh, lots of people like that book. Let me get it. Let me see how that one is. So it also goes for A Love Like Yours and A Story Like Ours, her first 2 books. So that's a great story too. ignore the covers. They're not her favorite. They were picked out by the publisher. She's not that kind of a, she thinks that degrades it. She likes covers like these. So still not terrible. Two people kissing, whatever. They are kissing books. They're adult books, but they're really fun and really sweet, and it's all about love, and I hope that you read them. So if you want an advanced reader copy, just let me know in the comments below. We are going to have a cutoff time, but you don't have to worry about that, because once the cutoff time is gone, I will remove this video, so you won't have to be thinking, oh, am I too late? If this video is up, you can still get it. It's probably only going to run for about 3 or 4 days, and then I'm going to have to take it down, and we're going to do the drawing, and Karen will send you the link, or she will let you know if you're getting a True North book. So it doesn't matter if you don't live in the country. Please be part of this. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to share. I'm so excited. I don't want to say that I don't have other children. I have 2 other children, my stepdaughter Fathom and my stepson Jamie, and they're awesome too and talented in their own right. So I have 4 fantastic kids. These 2 right here in town are my birth children. The other are my stepchildren, and I love them all. So just want to say, please, please take the opportunity to enjoy a really good read, and always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah. Bye.